Okay, on that what's end with this. I think this is stream 23 for what we're up to. We need to figure out how to get Steam working. And I don't know.
You got mail.
We're gonna go into accounts. We're gonna go find Steam development. We're gonna log in, but we gotta log in on the top monitor here. www.steampowered something something, right? So we're gonna go find the place to log in. We're gonna log in and we're gonna try to figure out how to get the depots working. And it seems like what we need to do is we need to delete the broken depot and then make a complete new one. But the trick is that we're not allowed to just delete all the depots. We're not allowed to delete all the depots, but one of them is definitely but the depot seems corrupt or something. So let's go gmx.com. So we need to go log in to GMX. We need to right, we need to log into GMX, and we have to we gotta go put that secret guard phrase in, and now we're logged in. So it's at 1 minute and 47 seconds since we started the stream, and we have just logged into Steam, right? So logging in takes a big chunk out of this time, right? So we know something's wrong with our game. So let's close the other stuff. Okay. So we know something is wrong. Let's go show you what we have here. Okay. So something is wrong with our depot. So right over here, we're gonna go into the depots, and we're gonna go find the depots, and we want to nuke them. We want to fucking nuke the depots. So this depot right here, it's causing us problems. Can we remove it? Looks like we can. For some reason, I don't remember being able to remove it last time. Let's not worry about that. We can remove it. Okay. So now if we go and we look at builds, there shouldn't be any builds, right? Because there's no depot, right? So I see this as including a depot that shouldn't exist anymore, right? These builds should not exist because we just delete all the depots. There are no fucking depots. And so any of these serial numbers you see are not valid, right? Okay. So going back to depots, right? There should not be. Oh my! Okay, wait. We can't scream too loud. There's somebody here. What the fucking hell? So we can't remove this, right? Okay, remove it. Yeah, sure. Okay, refresh. Oh, there you are again. Oh, remove it. Okay. Oh my fucking god. Okay, let's go to builds. So the depot is, as far as I know, it's corrupt, right? So we have to get rid of it, but every single time we try to remove it, it comes back. But we are fairly confident that this depot right here, this fucking number, whatever this number is, this is corrupt. So in our notes, we need to just make a note that, you know, this is a corrupt depot, right? Corrupt depot, depot, October 1st, 2024. Okay. That depot number, that's no good. It's no fucking good. Okay? So maybe we have to go remove and then hit save, right? Maybe that's what we have to do. Maybe if we hit remove, we have to hit save first. Depots section can't be empty. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I see. Okay. So let's go into builds. And let's go create a new build. Let's blank out our okay. So we're gonna create a new build. We're gonna click here to upload. And We're uploading via HTTPS right here, right? I'm going to choose a file. And we're going to go srgit, our flag means fun, games, Ninja Jade. And we want to go into this third folder right here, and we have Ninja Jade full.zip, right? Okay, so we're gonna go standard, right? We're just gonna make it a standard. Just upload. Okay, so 305. So here's the problem, right? This depot here, this depot ID, that is the same goddamn number as earlier. That is the corrupt depot that we need to remove, right? That is the corrupt fucking depot we need to remove. So, you know, that's not really going to be helpful, right? Yeah, that's the corrupt depot I want to remove, right? So, I don't know, default commit, whatever. It doesn't fucking matter, right? This will not work, right? Like, we can go publish, and we can go prepare for publishing, publish to Steam, Steam works, this won't work. So now we kind of see that this won't work, right? I already know this won't work. If we go to Steam, right? If we go to Steam and we try to play this game, it's not going to work because we have that depot is completely corrupt, right? What the fuck is Steam doing? It's corrupt. We can't do that, right? So the question is, well, how do we make another depot, right? Manage DLC depots separately. So it looks like we can add a new depot here. Okay, so I think what we need to do is add a new depot, and then we can remove this depot, and then we can upload. I think, but we have to make sure that it's no longer this number, that we completely nuke this one. I think that's what needs to be done, right? So if we do that correctly, then maybe we can get out of this hell, right? Now that we kind of understand. So the problem is that you have to read the documentation, but then you also have to be like, oh, but what if the people who wrote this code actually just fucking suck, right? And even though this has been around, right, this system is obviously not battle tested. Even though this system looks like it's been around since the early 2000s, it's not battle tested. And what I mean by not battle tested is that, like, by this time you should not have these kind of mistakes in the I don't want to say architecture, but yeah, these mistakes are kind of unacceptable. So anyways, we're going to find our corporation name, and we're going to put our password into Steam. We're going to go sign in. We may have to give it a guard code and fucking have to log into our email again. Something, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so now we have Valve hardware survey. No, I do not. No thanks. Okay, so now we have... Oh my god, this is horrible. Wow. You're really going to make something that I cannot move around, huh? Okay. All right. So we're going to go to, what is it, the library? I don't know where we're supposed to go. Okay, Ninja and the quest for the Jade statue, right? We want to run this. We know it's not going to run, but let's just sanity check, make sure we know what the fuck we're talking about. Yeah, that doesn't exist, right? Okay. So, you can't see this, but we tried to run it. Like, if we try to play this, right, it doesn't work. Okay. So, this depot number, right, this depot number is corrupt as far as I'm concerned. So, what we have to do is we have to go add a new depot, I guess. And there's a whole bunch of IDs. I don't know. We'll call it the Nice Depot Ninja Jade Full, and we'll select this other number. This depot isn't referenced by any other. I don't care. Okay, so this right here, we're going to try to remove this. Can we remove this one? This 621, can we hit remove? Okay. Now, if we go save. Okay. So now if we go refresh, I better see only one fucking depot in here. Okay, this depot isn't referenced by any packages in this app. Please check your package configuration. Okay, let's hit edit. All languages for DLC. It's the base app. All OSs, we should say Windows, because it's at Windows. 64-bit only. Platform. All. Okay. So let's hit save. And so now it's the nice depot, right? So, I don't know how to select this. I guess we're going to have to manually fucking type it, huh? The nice depot, October 1st, 2024. And the number is 3969. 3969. Okay. So we'll save that again, and then we will go to builds, I think. To builds. And I would like to just nuke these other builds. But I don't know how we're going to do that, right? So let's click here to upload. And upload depot, the nice depot, Ninja Jade Falls. So it's going to upload here. Okay, cool. That's where we want to go. Standard upload. So we're going to choose file. We're going to go ninjajadeful.zip. All right, we're going to open that, and we're going to hit upload. So now we're hoping that... Okay, error, failure. Okay, well, fuck. Right? So now we try to get rid of the depot and upload to here. And it's like, fuck you. Okay. So if we select standard and we just upload, yeah. So it fails. We go to depots. This depot isn't referenced by any packages for this app. Please check your package configuration. Okay, so we know what this is, and package configuration, maybe application, I don't know, general. Okay. Where is... Okay, builds. Okay, so depots. Okay. So we want to figure out, note, this depot isn't referenced by any packages for this app. Please check your package configuration. Okay. So let's go look that up. Okay, and let's put that in our notes, because I swear to God, I've already had this problem before. Okay. Okay. Let's see if the photo matches what I'm doing here. Yeah, that's basically what I have. Edit, since some people keep on finding this post, well, I had to contact Steam support because it was a glitch on their side of things. Someone posted a step-by-step guide on how to fix that as well, so might just be the same prompt for a different problem than the one I originally had. Hey, I'm adding my solution in case anyone comes here via Google search result like I did. Go to your app admin and pick your app. click on your app under the first section that says store package, pricing, release date. Under depots, add, remove depots. It will show a pop-up, just select your depots and save. Okay, yeah, so I think that is the solution. This depot isn't referenced. This depot isn't referenced. This depot isn't referenced. Okay. I know I keep on saying depot, but it's like, okay, well, if this is depot, then tell me how you're supposed to spell depots, right? Yeah. Okay. So I remember where that was. So if we go to the dashboard, if we go to the full game here, there is a section down here. Associated packages, DLC, demos, and tools, right? I think that's what they're talking about. And why does it say demo? Did I accidentally click demo? Demo. Under depots included. Depots included. So there's something that says depots included. I don't see anything that says depots included, but let's go Control F, depots. No. Okay, let's go back again. So here's this. And so somewhere there's supposed to be like depots included. Control F, depot. So that I don't see anything about depots included. Okay. Okay. Package title, view associated items. So click on your app under the first section that says store package, pricing, and the release dates. Under depots included, click store packages, pricing, whatever. Maybe I clicked the wrong thing. Let's go back to the dashboard. So here's our dashboard, and we don't want to go demo. We want to go this whole thing here, right? This whole thing here. The actual full game. So I am clicking the full game here. It is the last one here. We're scrolling down, and we see store packages, pricing, and release dates, view associated items. Okay. So it's the associated items, right? Like according to this. Store packages, pricing. Okay, so it's this one here. It's not this one, it's this one. So I was clicking the wrong one. Okay, so if we click this package title here, package pricing, apps included, and we have an app ID, okay, depots included. This depot is an unknown depot, right? So we're going to change this. And we're going to change it to the one we recreated, and we're going to hit save. Oh, so you know what? I think the depot has to be linked up before we try to upload to it. And I think maybe by trying to upload to it before it's connected here, right? Before, I think it's corrupted if we try to upload to it before it gets wired up. That's what I'm guessing. That this right here, if we get our flag means fun, right? Games. That's my guess. So, upload before wire up bug.png. So that's my guess. That's my guess, is that this is not going to work again. because we needed to wire this up before we tried to upload to it, and now we're fucked. And we have to do it all over again. So if we go to the dashboard, okay, if we go to the dashboard, and we go to the game, and we go down here to at least one depot configured, right? Click that. So here's our nice depot here, right? Right here. And if we go to the builds, here's where we can like upload a zip file, right? Before using this page to upload any contents to a specific depot, a configuration for that depot needs to be published. Attempting to upload depot contents to a depot that has never had configuration published will fail. Okay, fair enough. Okay, so that's why it failed. Fair enough. And it didn't give me that message until before. So we're going to go prepare for publishing, publish to Steam, Steamworks, I hate this. Really publish. And I'm going to assume this publishes like all the unsaved kind of changes, the unpublished changes. Okay, so now, if we go back to steampipe builds and click here to upload, we're going to choose a file, and we're on the 69 depot, Ninja Jadeful, open, standard, upload. So now we're hoping it is actually going to upload the contents and not fucking ignore, right? We don't know for sure, though, right? We're going to go to the Publish tab, and we're going to go prepare for publishing, publish to Steam. Fucking work, damn it. Okay? Really publish. Okay? So now, if we refresh this, okay. Now, if we go back to Steam, and we're going to take this right here, we're going to make sure that we uninstall it first. So we're going to go Manage, Uninstall, Uninstall, and then we're going to install it. Okay, install. And then we're going to try to play it. And I've lost my goddamn mind now. An error occurred while launching this game. Missing game executable. Okay, manage, uninstall. Uninstall. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Well, let's go back to like the builds and the depots and stuff, and any attempt to upload at the wrong moment, I think completely fucks us over, right? So if we go into depots here, let's go remove this 69 one, hit OK, add new depot. Does it possibly just have to be the first serial number? Is that what's going on here? Like all these other fucking numbers don't work and we have to use the 1? Is that what it is? Like all these fucking numbers and like actually we're telling you that you have all these numbers available to you, but actually if you don't use the first one, you're fucked. Is that what's going on? Let's try that. Let's hit OK. Okay, all languages, no. Yeah, base application, all OSs, no, it's Windows. Okay, all architecture, 64-bit. Okay, all, okay. So let's go, save that. Okay, let's go refresh because we don't really know what it says until... Okay, so let's do the first one. Maybe it's the actual fact that we use the first slot and using any slot but the first slot is fucking us over. Okay. So, let's go publish that. Now that we made that, let's go prepare for publishing. I don't know what's going on. Steamworks, blah, blah, blah. I do not fucking care. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the dashboard. And we're going to go to the full game right here. And then it's the first thing down here, right? It's not this thing, view associated items. It's store packages, pricing, blah, 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 right? So if we click this thing here, somewhere there's going to be a depots section. And this 69, we're gonna remove that 69, right? We're going to use this one, the first number, because maybe the first number is somehow special, right? So we're going to save that. And so now we have this first number here, right? Okay. So now chances are there's probably unpublished changes, but we can't see them because this UI fucking sucks like hell, right? So apps included. Oh, depots included. No. Okay. So let's go. If we click this application. No. Okay. So if we go to public default branch includes ninjaj.exe. So this, where the fuck did that come from? So it says it's missing that, and it kind of is. Ninjaj.exe, Windows, blah, blah. Okay. Steampipe builds. And we want the first number this time. Okay, depots. So that first number we want to keep. So this is the first number, I guess. It is. Let's hit save. Let's go to publish. Prepare for publishing, publish to Steam, blah, 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 blah. Okay, yeah, Steamworks. Steamworks, blah, blah, really publish. Okay. So now, that should be done. We're gonna go to depots. Okay, builds. So this the serial number with the 1 at the end. So let's click here. And okay, that's the correct depot number. Choose file. Okay, Ninjaj full. Standard upload. Upload it. Okay, so now we gotta go publish, I guess. Commit. Oh, set live. Okay, set it live. Set me live. Whatever. Branch, default, commit. So let's make sure we have that part too, because maybe that's part of the problem. Okay, let's go to the publish tab. Let's go prepare for publishing. Publish to Steam, blah, blah, blah. Steamworks. Really publish. Okay. So now the other problem is that did we make sure to have that already configured in here, right? Did we already do this? Is this already configured? Like if we go in the depot section, depot, that is the depot that's referenced. Okay, cool. So now let's go refresh this. Okay, let's go back to Steam. Let's go install this. Install. Okay, now it says starting download. It's actually fucking downloading something this time. That might actually work. Okay, let's go play this. I think that's gonna work. Okay. Fucking hell, finally. Okay. So, quit. It's working. It's fucking working. Stop it. It's fucking working, finally. Okay. Okay, so... I don't know exactly what's wrong. It seems like you have all these serial numbers available to you, and it doesn't look like you actually can upload to any of those other ones, right? Like it looks like those slots are available to you, but you're not actually allowed to upload to anything but that first slot. That's what it looks like to me. But okay, so we got it. Okay, so we got that. So that's... Okay, so let's stop recording. And we figured something out. We figured something... Do you want to go through the... Okay, so we got that. Okay, we're good. We got the stuff. So, now that we... Okay, so we got that working. Good. So going to the dashboard. Let's go view our checklist because... Let's just go view our goddamn checklist. Can we not view the checklist? Oh, it's just really slow. Mark is ready for review. Mark is ready for review, right? So your store presence is complete. Your demo build is complete. I'm not going to say I did the best job on the artwork. I'm not going to say I did the best job on the artwork, but we got a lot of technical stuff finished. So we're just going to, okay, we're just going to do that. Okay, let's make a YouTube short. I'm gonna make a YouTube short explaining what I think is going on. Now that we have that working, I'm gonna make a YouTube short for that. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna make a YouTube short for that, and then I'm gonna finish up my... I'm gonna just build this as an hour. I'm gonna stop this.